Well, I finally got the old pump to work after beating it up and down a couple of times on the concrete. Yeah, that whole wall is leaning in now. Pumping her out. It was up to my almost the top of my pants on my boot when I stepped into it. That bucket there was completely underwater almost. Man, what a mess. Hope it didn't ruin everything. And that guy's trying to get out of the water. Gotta tear that floor out now, it's all wet. Buy one some washing machine dryers are for sale. Yeah, she's pouring pretty good.